So what's up guys, today I'm gonna try to teach you how to script UIs. So sit back as I try to explain how to script UIs. Enough yapping, let's get right into it. So just hop into the studio, and first let's create the screen UI, then the frame. Reset/customize the frame however you want. Now let's insert a button for the close button. Now let's position the button. I'll use Ctrl D to instantly copy and paste. Now I'm placing inside the screen UI. Now let's actually start scripting. Okay, now first I write local to identify who is the screen UI, then the frame, and then the two buttons, then this line. The line basically means if a player clicks a button, the next line will indicate what happens. Then I'll make it that the frame becomes visible if the player clicks the button. Then I did the same, but I changed it to other button and also make the frame visible if he clicks the close button. Now let's test. As you can see, the buttons work. So I also tried to decorate the frame a bit so it feels like a real UI. By the way, I really tried. Okay, now for the results. Drum rolls please. The improved UI. We got a taco, pizza, and a cheeseburger. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, and peace.